Hey everybody, just want to show you a few things I really dig on my new bike. So the first thing I noticed when I first saw this bike was the spoked wheels with chrome rims. I mean, not painted mag rims or anything, but they're actually spokes and they're chromed. That's pretty cool. Back in the old day, that's the only way they made them until they started doing mags, and most people have gone to mags. But then the next thing I noticed were the chrome fenders. Chrome fenders instead of plastic or painted. I really like the chrome. I think it adds a nice touch. And then another thing is the drum brakes instead of the disc. I mean, the disc are more efficient and better stopping, last longer and all that, but there's just something about the old school that I really dig. So anyway, yep, the chrome rims, the spoked wheels with chrome fenders also, and the drum brakes. Them are the things that I really dig about it. And I really like riding her too. I've been doing a lot of riding with her. Runs like a top and handles, I mean, just handles crazy good. Very nimble. Anyway, just wanted to touch base and let you know what I've been thinking about my new girl. Talk to you later. Bye for now.